I've spent the last few weeks testing the 5 most talked about dash cams with Wi-Fi, and let me tell you, I put each of them through real driving conditions so you don't have to waste your money. From night driving to parking mode surprises, I've seen how they perform day and night, and today I'm breaking down which one really delivers the best value and reliability. Product number 1, REDTIGR 4K SDARVS2 Dash Cam F7N Touch. When I first held the REDTIGR F7N Touch, it felt solid, and the 3.18 touchscreen is surprisingly responsive. Setting it up on my windshield was straightforward, and the rear camera attachment was painless with the included pry tool. In real-world testing, the 4K front and 1080p rear recording impressed me, especially at night. I also loved the voice control. Being able to lock a video or turn on Wi-Fi without taking my hands off the wheel felt like a safety win. GPS tracking worked flawlessly, and the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi made downloading videos to my phone fast and easy. If you want a dual camera setup with excellent night vision and quick Wi-Fi, this one's solid. Its parking mode is reliable if you grab the hardwire kit, making it perfect for daily drivers who want full coverage. Moving on, let's see how the Rove compares. Product number 2, Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. The Rove R2 4K feels slightly smaller than the REDTIGR, but the build quality is rock solid. The 3 IPS screen is bright and sharp, making live viewing a breeze. I immediately noticed how light it felt on the windshield, doesn't block my view at all. Recording with the Sony SDARVS2 sensor was smooth. The app-controlled 5G Wi-Fi was crazy fast, and I could grab full-length videos in seconds. GPS recording worked perfectly, overlaying my speed and route. Parking mode, although needing a hardwire kit, did its job well with time-lapse and motion detection. If you want high-quality dual-channel recording with lightning-fast Wi-Fi, the Rove is excellent. Product number 3, TERUNSOUL 4K plus 4K Dash Cam. Holding the Teransol, I immediately noticed it's a bit bulkier, but the metal finish gives it a premium feel. The 3 IPS screen is responsive, and the dual 4K cameras make it one of the most visually impressive dash cams I've tested. During driving tests, both front and rear 4K footage looks stunning, with the ultra-wide 170 degrees lens capturing full lanes. Night recordings were bright and detailed thanks to the large f1.5 f1.8 apertures and enhanced WDR. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi made downloading to my phone painless, and GPS tracking was reliable. The G-sensor worked perfectly for locking collision footage. Loop recording was seamless, and I felt confident parking with time-lapse mode. If you want the highest resolution footage for both front and back cameras, Teransol is tough to beat. It's ideal for people who want every detail captured and are okay with a slightly larger setup. Now let's take a look at a more full surround option. Product number 4, IIWEY N5 4-channel Dash Cam. The IIWEY N5 immediately feels unique because of the 4-channel setup. Holding it, you realize it's designed to cover everything front, rear, sides, and interior. I tested it in a busy parking lot, and the wide 170 degrees lenses genuinely captured almost everything around the car. Video quality is 1080p, not 4K, but for most drivers it's more than enough. Wi-Fi was fast and easy to connect through the app, though you do have to turn it on manually each time. Loop recording and G-sensor worked exactly as promised, and the parking modes provided extra peace of mind when I left the car unattended. If you need total coverage, especially for rideshare or family transport, the IIWEY N5 is perfect. It's more about angles than Ultra HD clarity, but it does that job incredibly well. Let's finish with a solid, compact option. Product number 5, Navicrest Q7 4K Dash Cam. The Navicrest Q7 feels compact and discreet when I mounted it. It doesn't block my view at all. The 4K front and 1080p rear cameras produced sharp, vivid footage in both daytime and low-light conditions. I liked how smooth the loop recording and G-sensor worked, locking collision videos instantly. The 5G Wi-Fi and app control were handy, letting me download clips in a few taps and share them quickly. Parking mode works with a hardwire kit and offers time-lapse or collision-triggered recording, perfect for extra security. The included 64 GB card is decent, though I personally would upgrade if you record a lot. For a compact, reliable dash cam that balances performance and convenience, the Navicrest is a great choice. If you want solid 4K footage without a bulky setup, it's worth considering. That's my full breakdown of the 5 best dash cams with Wi-Fi I've tested. Each has its own strengths, whether it's 4K detail, total coverage, or super fast app downloads. Check the description below for the latest prices and links so you can grab the one that fits your driving style.